been wondering where I'm at. Well, if you see my stories, you know that I am having a baby. Yes, that's where I've been at, growing this little pumpkin. And I know Prince on my shirt screaming for help, but yes. But let me show y'all. Yeah, see, it looks little from the front, but don't let that fool you. This belly is. I'm packing one. I'm packing a big boy up in here. But yes, I am officially today 32 weeks in 1 day. Yes, so I wanted to come and explain why I haven't really been posting a lot, and it's because I just didn't know where to push my channel. And now that I'm having a little one, another boy, um, I think my plan is to cater towards that, the lifestyle of a mom of three. Yes, it's a shocker because my youngest son is 13 years old and I'm starting all over again. All over again. Yes, I do have my little drink, alcohol free. It's cute though. Just, you know, trying to stay healthy. It's, I think, blueberries, blackberry juice, cherry tart, and some other things, but it's real good. It's super food. But yes, like I was saying, yeah, I just been working and growing this baby. Um, Wanted to do some traveling, but that plan got canceled because of this. And now I kind of waited too far I've kind of waited too far to um, travel now. Like, I guess I can go now, but it's still kind of pushing it. And I just don't want to really risk it or whatever. I've been real nervous since, once again, I haven't done this in a long time. So I just been really trying to do the best I can and make sure that I'm healthy and my baby is healthy. So yeah, um yeah, I'm kind of excited. But I do want to show y'all this. So I didn't know. We was talking about diaper bag. And I was like, why not be a little bougie this time? Because I was young and wow when I had my first kids or whatever. But now since I'm mature and in a different space, let's do an unboxing. Yes. I'm so excited. Y'all, this will be my diaper bag. Yes, my boyfriend had a problem. He was like, well, why would you get that for your diaper bag? I'm not going to carry it. I'm like, boy, get your own diaper bag. This will be mine. Look at that. Bam. Yes, I am just too excited for this. It looks super big though. Maybe I should have probably got the medium one. I wouldn't be easy for the large. Like, I'm not a big purse carrier, so look at that. Yes, black. I'm a black person, as you can see. I love black. But oh my god. Ooh, I can use this for a diaper bag. But I'll say that for something else. But look at this. Like, let's unwrap these straps. I don't even think my boyfriend seen it. I don't think he even know I even got this. Look at this. Yes, diaper bag. So I'm just thinking I'm just going to need a divider. I mean, this is big. This is luggage. What? I could damn near fit the baby in here. Like, for real, I probably could. Carry it around in my purse. It's a joke. Wow, I'm excited. I don't know if this is going to be right for me. Let me see. Crossbody. Let me back up so y'all can see. I guess. I mean, is it giving bougie? I'm looking for like a bougie mom feel. I'm excited. I'm super excited about this. This gonna hold a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have got the medium one. This might be mine. I was gonna say like to go bag, but where I'm to go into? My in the next room. You feel me? So we ain't to go where? Okay. But maybe like a little carry-on, maybe a personal carry-on. I don't know. You don't really have a zipper to zip it across, so I don't know about personal carry-on. But whatever. I'll figure it out. I'm loving it. But yes, that is nice. Yeah, ooh, something else I want to show you. So I don't know if y'all know. Maybe y'all seen some of my old videos, but I am half Ghanaian. Like my dad was born and raised in Ghana or whatever. And when last time I've been to Ghana to visit his side of the family, I bought some kente cloth. Well, actually, my uncle gifted me the kente cloth. So I had it for a couple of years. I didn't know really what to do with it. I mean, I don't know. I just didn't know what to do with it. So I just really kept it wrapped up and kept it in my drawers, kept it safe or whatever. But I came up with this brilliant idea to make a baby blanket. And that's what I did. I gotta show you. Yes, I am in my room, but I got this little like cutout space or whatever where I have my vanity and stuff and my ring light. So we decided to change that into the baby's area or whatever. But check this out. Look at this. Isn't this great? Now, someone hand did this. Like I had the kente cloth. I brought it to the lady. I told her what I wanted and she kind of did the opposite of what I wanted, but it's cool. I'm not complaining. I do got more kente cloth, and just in case if I want to do it all over again, but I don't. It's not. It's really not a big deal. Like I was gonna say, beggars can't be choosy, but she hooked me up for a good price or whatever. So first one, the traditional color. I should say, man, don't quote me on that, but look at this. What she did was add a trim all the way around this blanket. And I mean, kente is it's like a weave. It's woven or whatever. So it's not really like cozy, but I'm thinking I can use, let me set this one down. I'm thinking I can use this to like lay him down on or or throw over the car seat. But look at this. I mean, it's beautiful. And then like she's trimmed it. So this is one side and this is the other. And it's a beautiful. Now, what I originally wanted with this one or whatever was to add, since it's the same pattern on both sides, I wanted her to add fleece on one side and then have the design on the other side. But she trimmed it. Not mad, but isn't it beautiful? Like I can't wait. I can't wait. Like, but yes, this is. Look at this is the blue. Just makes it pop. Really, I really like the blue. So she made me 2 blankets. Throw that up there. So goodness, this is. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, isn't it nice? So what she did was before she did anything to this, it was one pattern on one side. Let me show you this. And I won't be able to show you the other pattern. But it was this pattern. And it was, let's see if, it was like a different pattern on the opposite side. Which I don't, you know what, I'm not gonna complain. She did a great job. But what she did was add the fleece on the other side. Yes. So it's like pattern on this side and fleece on that side. So this is more like a blanket, a cozy blanket or whatever. It's pretty, like, I could really wrap up with this. I should just get more made so I can just lay around with that. But is that disrespectful to the kente? I don't know. I wouldn't think so or whatever. I don't know. If anybody know, leave in the comments if that's being disrespectful, turning these into blankets. I know people like take their kente and make traditional wedding dresses or wear them at funerals or or like I don't know, like different elegant stuff. Not turn it into a burp glove. But hey, I did it. I was being creative and I love it. I wish I can excuse me. I wish I can show you the other side what I mean. Let me see if I can find my.
A few moments later.
So here's my extra piece. So this is what it looked like before she did anything to it. So when I say like the ends was fringy, like was fringe or whatever, and that's what I mean when she put the trimmer on it, so it won't fringe apart or whatever. But oh yes, so this is the same side. This is the side that is not covered, but look at the other side. So it was two different patterns. So that's why on this design, which I don't know how she not realized that, but on this design, I wanted just the trim, like the other one, just the blue trim. You see? Just the trim. So then you will be able to see this side of the pattern and this side of the pattern. Totally two different patterns. That's why I wanted to trim. But she didn't do that. And I mean, luckily I got more. I mean, I have more fabric, but it's not, I mean, it's big, but it's not that big. Like, I can use it for something else. But, yes, you see the, like, I mean, that's how you, come on, lady. Like, why wouldn't you think I would want to cover the pattern? I know, right? So, but whatever. It is whatever. So, yeah. But that is what I did with my kente. I'm so excited to wrap my baby up in it. Like, I'm just, I don't know. I feel like I am passing down okay, so my dad passed away when I was young. So that's why I really don't know a lot about the culture. I just started visiting his side of the family maybe 3 years. 3 years. So maybe 5 or 6, 7 years ago, I met them or whatever. And we keep in touch. And that's another story for them. I was planning to go to Duddy December this year. Take my whole family, my boys. My mom was going to go. My boyfriend was planning on going or whatever. But Peanut here. Yeah. Kind of threw a monkey wrench in the plans, so that didn't happen. But it's all right. That's all right. 2024 is here. We don't want to dwell on what happened in 2023. 2024, we're going to be there. Baby, kids. If the boyfriend want to come, he can come. My mom, I'm there. I am there. Just for the fact that I want my boys to see, their grandfather's side. So, yeah, why not? It's a beautiful country, beautiful culture, and I want to be a part of it. So, I just don't want them to miss out what I missed out when I was young. So, I'm going to try to introduce them to whatever I can. But, yeah, I've been gabbing on.
Later.
Hey, Black Child. Oh, yeah, baby first book. It's cute. we decided not to have a baby shower because we basically got, I mean, I don't want to, I don't know. That's a story for a different time. So I just came on here to tell you what I've been doing, what I haven't been posting. Not like I was super consistent before, but 2024 is all changing. Super consistent. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Lemon 8. That's right, Lemon 8. Um, yeah. So, deuces. I will be more consistent this year. Blessings to everyone.